In a nation divided by war and strife, one man rose to prominence, embodying the spirit of freedom and unity. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, stood tall against the tides of injustice, wielding his pen and voice to champion the cause of liberty. His journey would forever alter the course of history. Lincoln was not just a leader, he was a beacon of hope for millions. Facing insurmountable challenges, he navigated a nation torn apart by civil war. His qualities of empathy and unwavering resolve fueled his fight to end slavery, leading to the emancipation of the nation, a defining moment that echoed the cries for freedom. As battles raged on, Lincoln's leadership was tested. The horrors of war weighed heavily on his heart. Yet in the darkest moments, he found solace in the idea that a united nation was worth fighting for. His famous address at Gettysburg resonated with the belief that a new birth of freedom would bring forth equality. Lincoln's legacy transcends time, reminding us of the power of courage and compassion. His fight against slavery and for a unified nation laid the groundwork for future generations to strive for justice and equality. As we reflect on his life, we are reminded that the struggle for freedom is ongoing.